Phonics Unit 13 Sound 1 I, magic E, and that makes the sound I. Keywords 關鍵詞字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 輔音 consonant 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics. Look at this picture. Here is some wine. Wine. Here are some mice. Mice. What is this mouse about to do? He took a dive. Dive. All of these words have I with magic E. And here is a little tune about this picture. Mice like to dive into wine. Mice like to dive into wine. Mice like to dive into wine. All these words have I with magic E. The I with magic E makes the sound I. Here is the word pin. Pin. And now we will add the magic E to pin and see how the word changes. Here is the word pine. Once we added magic E. I. We do not say the E. The E does not make a sound. And this is a pine. It's a type of tree. Let's see with another word. Here is the word kit. Kit. Let's add magic E to kit. Oh, it becomes the word kite. Kite. And we do not say the magic E. It makes no sound. Many consonant sounds can go between I with magic E. Here are some examples. Here we have ice. C is between I and magic E. And this is a word. It makes the word ice. What you put in your drink to make it cold. Also with ICE, we have price. And another word, nice. Another consonant you can put between I and magic E is D. This makes I'd. I'd is not a word, but you can find it in many words. We have spider. The I'd in spider, and that's a word. We have inside. The I'd in inside. We also have IFE. I-F-E. IFE is in knife. IFE is in the word wife. There are lots of other consonants that go between the I and magic E. You can learn about them in another video. Thanks for watching this video. There will be more videos about Magic E. So please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!